Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Immediately following Jesus' questioning to Peter in John chapter 21 verses 15 to 17, Jesus tells Peter of the cost of following him. Peter had expressed a willingness to follow and even die for Jesus. John chapter 13 verses 36 to 37. It was in response to this statement that Jesus said Peter would soon deny him 3 times. John chapter 13 verse 38.
Take our lead.
After they had eaten, Jesus said to Simon Peter, "Simon, son of John, do you love me more than these?" "Yes, Lord," he answered, "you know that I love you." Jesus said to him, "Take care of my lambs." Peter had denied Jesus and didn't get a chance to make amends before Jesus was killed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The beloved disciple has also been identified with Lazarus of Bethany, based on John chapter 11 verse 5. Now Jesus loved Martha and her sister and Lazarus, and John chapter 11 verse 3. Therefore his sisters sent unto him, saying, Lord, behold, he whom thou lovest is sick.
Let's help you make your mark.
Following his resurrection, Jesus took special care to rehabilitate Peter and assure him he was forgiven. At Pentecost, the Holy Spirit filled the apostles. Peter was so overcome that he began to preach to the crowd.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.